All right, guys, besides our two Italian beauties here, what we have here that just arrived from the GT350 today is a game changer in terms of performance. Stay tuned until the end of the video to find out what is in the box. Okay, guys, so you can stay in the know and get all my video notifications, please hit that notification bell below. And if you wouldn't mind helping me by hitting that like button down there, it really helps the video and the channel grow. Love you guys. You guys are awesome. Yeah, you. Right there. That's right, you. Yeah, you. And you too. No, not you. Not you. You. That's right, you. Guys, this is good. Anytime Shelby American makes an announcement, I stand at attention. And when Shelby American releases a Shelby edition of an already Shelby car, it's like putting ice cream on pizza. No! Or maybe not. Boys, who needs a Shelby GT500 when you can have a Shelby GT500, aka a Shelby GT500 SE? Shelby American just made my day, my week, and my entire life by announcing special editions of the already awesome Shelby GT350 and GT500. And that's right, boys, they are not just slapping a Shelby coat of paint on these beautiful cars. I am excited because these masterpieces, these Picassos of the road, are actually getting upgraded. So what happens when you take the pinnacle of muscle car performance and you make it even better? Let's dive in. But first, some words of wisdom in these dark times. Firstly, there will only be 100 of these special editions worldwide for the GT500 and 100 for the GT350 per model year. So that's 2015 to 2020. That equals 500 for the GT350 or GT350R platform. That's right, even the Rs will be getting upgrades to make them even more awesome. When you thought that wasn't possible, guess what? Shelby American be like, what? Impossible? We sprinkle impossible on our breakfast here at Shelby American. You know, these guys fart impossible. Improving the GT350 and GT500? That's like taking peanut butter cups and well, peanut butter cups are already perfect. Unless you put bacon on them. That's right, boys, the GT350 RSE is like peanut bacon cups. You heard it here first, boys. Here's what's happening to these peanut bacon cups. Starting off with the GT350 SE, the GT350 SE will have handling improvements, even more aggressive styling, and a bunch of other enhancements that we'll dive into. Alright guys, for the GT350 SE, your hard-earned $10,000 are going to net you caster camber plates, front and rear springs, front and rear sway bars, forged aluminum rims front and back, and performance spec tires. Taking a look at the exterior and interior, you're going to have custom leather seat recovers, billet engine caps, striping and badging, CSM numbered engine and dash plate, and a Shelby tail panel. Optional features, if you want to spend more, include a Shelby wide body, which is going to look awesome, painted stripes, rear seat delete with harness bar, extended and hardened wheel studs, Shelby Cup 2 performance tires, aluminum coolant tank, short throw shifter, and a dry carbon fiber hood. Just look at this saliva-inducing specimen. You know I'm a sucker for a red shift knob. Alright, let's look at the first 15 factory delivery. For just under $1,000, you're going to get exclusive activities, including an invitation to a party at Shelby American in Las Vegas, a meet and greet with Shelby management team, exclusive behind-the-scenes group tour of Shelby American manufacturing facility, and a one-night stay at the D Las Vegas. Other exclusive items include buyer receives one of the first 15 CSM numbers. You'll get a Shelby merchandise pack, photo of owner's vehicle with Gary Patterson and Vince LaViolet, autographed by the Shelby team, a framed registry certificate, Team Shelby full membership package, Monroney signed by Aaron Shelby. I don't even know what a Monroney is, but if you slap Aaron Shelby's signature on it, I want one. Just kidding, I know it's just a fancy word for a window sticker. Cool nonetheless. Hey, you learn something new every day. And you will also get the first 15 certificate of authenticity. The GT500 will have 800 horsepower, and that's on pump gas. Here's what else, although it's quite a bit more expensive at $30,000. In terms of performance, you are getting 800 plus horsepower in that 5.2-liter V8, a performance supercharged pulley, performance half shafts, high volume supercharger intercooler, high volume supercharger heat exchanger, front and rear springs, front and rear sway bars, suspension recalibration to handle all this extra juice, caster camber plates, new rear wheels, extended hardened wheel studs, and performance spec tires. Looking at exterior and interior, you're going to have a dry carbon fiber ventilated hood and weight savings associated therewith, hood struts, hood struts. Hey, what's wrong with using a prop rod on my $60,000 Shelby? No! Billet engine caps, Shelby stripes and badges, leather seat recovers, and CSM numbered engine and dash plate. let's dive into the optional accessories, shall we? With more money, you can have that Shelby wide body, painted stripes, Shelby carbon fiber package, rear seat delete with harness bar, and Michelin Sport Cup 2 performance tires. And of course, you have that option of the first 15 factory delivery. That is after you spend $30,000 if you cough up another $1,000. Each car purchase will make a donation to the Carroll Shelby Foundation, which is pretty cool, helping out kids. I personally can't wait to see what the wide body looks like. What do you mean look in the mirror? Why do you guys have to be hurtful like that? Sometimes you guys are so hurtful. So hurtful. Anyway, Gary Patterson, who we've had on the channel before, who is the president of Shelby American, says, and I quote, "Both the Ford Shelby GT350 and Shelby GT500 are world-class sports cars with spectacular performance." Duh! Tell us something we don't know. Our limited edition Carroll Shelby Signature Edition packages are designed to build on their amazing capabilities to deliver an even more aggressive, refined, and exclusive version of the two spectacular cars. They're exceptionally handsome and deliver dazzling performance mile after mile, lap after lap. Plus, the Shelby GT500 SE will be eligible for further upgrades by Shelby America in the future. Vince LaViolette, who we've also had on the show before, also says, and I quote, "We integrated a new pulley and coolers to the 5.2-liter V8, which turns out over 800 horsepower on 93-octane pump gas. We lowered the car with more track-focused springs that match a new aggressive suspension tune. Then we cut 30 pounds off the top of the Shelby GT500 SE with the ultralight dry carbon fiber hood, which is also much stronger and lighter. The optional wide-body modification is even available for the serious driver. Because I guess the $100,000 Shelby GT500 drivers are not really serious enough already. You gotta spend, $31,000 more to be even more serious. The 1965 GT350 was the first Mustang-based car that Shelby American and Ford Motor Company created together, said Patterson. To celebrate 55 years of collaboration, we created the Shelby GT350 SE with more aggressive handling package, sporty interior, stripes, special wheels, performance tires, and several functional styling elements. The 2020 model cars will wear a unique anniversary badge, while the 2015 to 2019 cars will have the standard one. The Shelby GT350 SE package is affordable, distinctive, and includes the coveted Shelby serial number. Because we like our serial numbers, boys. As I mentioned, this will benefit the Carroll Shelby Foundation. The foundation provides assistance to those in medical need, including children, educational opportunities for young people, because us old people are just crap, through automotive and other training programs, and also benefiting the Carroll Shelby Museum. In order to get a first 15, boys, you gotta buy by August 14th. You have seconds remaining. I buy one right now, but we need to grow this channel together at a Shelby pace. Always thank you guys for your views, your thumbs ups, your subscriptions, your noti bells, your comments below. Always appreciate dialogue with you guys. Alright guys, if you made it this far, say the secret word in the comment below, Shelby Shelby. And as promised, let's reveal the new special sauce for the GT350 coming soon. Alright boys, as promised, what we have here for the GT350 is a nitrous kit. We're going to be doing 50, 100, and 200 nitrous shots for your viewing pleasure on the GT350, and it's going to be a good time. Stay tuned. Can't wait to get this kit in the car. We're of course going to do an install video as well. We're going to have fun with it. We're going to do a bunch of things with it, such as doing the nitrous kit with E85 as well. We're also going to do the nitrous on a race fuel tune and see how that goes. We're going to start off with 50, then go to 100, and then go to 200. It's going to be a good time. All right, boys, until then, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned for our first Ducati mod video as well.